benches under Article 191A. The Constitution does not say that this is exclusive jurisdiction. It sets up a bench within the Supreme Court.
Yes, but exclusive jurisdiction has
So
been
the question
under
would be,
Article, sub-Article 3.
so the question would be, does this provision denude the full court, the Supreme Court?
That matter, we have, first of all, we have to go to through the definition of full court, where it is defined, either in the Constitution or in any.
It says the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is defined in Article 176.
If you are asking for full court, then we have to go through the definition of what full court is, whether it is defined in the Constitution,
My lord,
in the rules, or in any act.
Started by saying that it is not a constitutional right to demand
No, I'm talking about full court, where it is
en
defined.
banc hearing. Okay? The 191A does not say full court. The Supreme Court is defined in 176. It says the Supreme Court shall consist of a Chief Justice and so many other judges as may be determined by Act of Parliament.
Okay.
What I'm saying at this moment in time is that this petition should be heard by the Supreme Court comprising of all the judges as were in place prior to the enactment of the 26th
So
Amendment.
suppose if all the judges, मैं full court की बात नहीं कर रहा, suppose all the judges, या जो judges आप कह रहे हैं कि ये 16 होने चाहिए, अगर वो judges एक साथ बैठ जाए, तो would it be called bench of the Supreme Court or not?
No. It would be the Supreme Court sitting en banc.
Whether this is not a Supreme